Hey Jen and team, this is Heather Jarp from Century 21, and I just wanted to show you how to use the Training Center WebEx account. And Training Center is a little bit different than the Realogy WebEx account in that we use it specifically for training. And what you'll find is the experience is a lot nicer for the end user, and you also get some really fun interface tools. So I just wanted to show you how to both set up a WebEx session as well as host your session. So the first thing we're going to do is go to your browser window and type in Century 21 WebEx. And it might take us a second to get there. So you can see it here. We've got the century21webex.com, and I've put that URL in your email as well. So the first thing you'll notice is that you'll need to log in. So you go right over here to the right-hand corner and just click on login. And I have your credentials as Jennifer.Galbraith. And then we'll put in your password, which is welcome. And the first letter is capitalized. And 1 after that. So then that's going to take us into the administration site. And you're going to probably see some pop-up windows, and that's fine. Just X out of them. You don't need them. Look at all these messages that keep coming up. So the next thing you're going to want to do is set up your session. So we're going to just click on this arrow right here. Sometimes it's grayed out, so it's a little bit hard to see, but what this does is it activates this top menu bar. And then the next thing you do is you go to Training Center. So once you're in Training Center, you click on Schedule Training. And then the next thing you'll do is put in your topic name. And for this one, it's Business Benefits, Discounts, and Deals for C21 agents. Okay, and you can see here we do want it listed on the public calendar. You'll want a copy of the invitation sent to you so you can make sure it works okay. So you just click on that. And then what I typically do is I only use integrated voice over IP. The reason for that is they can download the WebEx app to their phone and use it that way, and the audio will come right through. So you always want to use the integrated voice over IP, and that'll be using the internet for your audio. The next thing you'll want to do is set up your time. So we've got January 10th for you. So we just go to the 10th, and of course we want to select 2018. And the time that we have is 11 o'clock. So we'll go down to that. I can't see, so let's keep going. All right, so we want 11 a.m. and attendees can join. I usually give them 20 minutes. And then it's a single session class. It's probably going to last less than an hour. I think you said probably 30 minutes would be your best guesstimate. You may want to just put 2 hours just in case. And that's what I always do. That way I know that I'll always have enough time. So if you want to create a registration form so that you can see who has attended your session, and I highly recommend this, you can just click on this link right here and you can customize your form. So typically what we like to see is the first name, last name, email address. I also like company as well. You may want the address. A lot of times city and state is helpful, and also phone number depending on what your goals are. So this is typically what I do. So you obviously can do whatever serves your purpose, but definitely want a registration form. So then when I'm done, I click on OK. And then you can, I would not recommend putting in a password. And then maximum registrations allowed. You don't need that. You don't need a registration close date. Attendee can cancel their registration. I don't think you need to do that. And a lot of times too, I know that we put you in as receiving an attendee registration form that'll be emailed to you. But what I often do is I also might want to put someone else in as also receiving that attendee invite, just in case you're in meetings and you're not available to, um, you know, handle that request, whatever that may be. So I'm just going to put a name in here. I'll put yours in. There we go. And we are good. So I'm going to add you as an attendee, and then just click the box next to your name, click on invite, and you're going to be all set. So if you are not the presenter and you want to invite somebody, so let's say you have a guest who's going to be presenting with you, maybe it's a guest vendor, you can also set them up as a presenter and invite them. So it's the same process as we did before. You can just put in their name, their email address, and you can just add them as a presenter in this box down here. So invite presenter, see add presenter here. So that's how that works. And then if we take a look at these other options, it's really nothing that you have to worry about. So you're pretty much done after that. And then once you've finished setting up your session, you just want to click on schedule. And what that will do is send you 2 email notifications. One will be just letting you know that the session is set up and you are the host. And the other one will be an attendee invitation that you can send out to the vendor that you may have as a guest speaker or one of your colleagues. And then we, of course, once we have that link, we're going to post it on the C21 University calendar. So I hope that helps. And if you have any questions, certainly reach out to me. Thanks for doing this. Take